Good morning, guys. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today we will discuss important May month days and themes which are very useful for all competitive exams. So listen carefully. Let's start the session. First question, International Labor Day. International Labor Day we celebrated every year on May 1st, and International Labor Day it is also known as Workers' Day or May Day. So International Labor Day or Workers' Day or May Day which is celebrated on May 1st. Next, World Tuna Day which is observed on May 2nd. World Tuna Day is celebrated on May 2nd. Next, International Astronomy Day which is celebrated on May 2nd. May 2nd every year we celebrate International Astronomy Day. So World Tuna Day and Astronomy Day we celebrated every year on May 2nd. Next, World Press Freedom Day which is celebrated on May 3rd. World Press Freedom Day is celebrated on May 3rd. Theme is Journalism without fear or favor. Journalism without fear or favor is the theme of World Press Freedom Day which is celebrated on May 3rd. Next, World Laughter Day which is celebrated on May 3rd. So every year we celebrate May 3rd is the World Laughter Day. Next, International Firefighters Day which is celebrated on May 4. International Firefighters Day is celebrated on May 4. Next, World Asthma Day which is celebrated on May 5, and the theme is Enough Asthma Deaths. Enough Asthma Deaths is the theme of World Asthma Day which is celebrated on May 5th. Next, International Day of the Midwife which is celebrated on May 5th. Theme is Midwives with Women Celebrate, Demonstrate, Mobilize, Unity. Our time is now. So this is the theme of International Day of the Midwife which is celebrated on May 5th. Next, International No Diet Day which is celebrated on May 6th. So May 6th is the International No Diet Day. Next, World Athletics Day which is celebrated on May 7. World Athletics Day is celebrated on May 7. Next, World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day which is celebrated on May 8th. Guys, important, remember, World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day is observed on May 8th. Next, World Thalassemia Day which is celebrated on May 8th. World Thalassemia Day is celebrated on May 8th, and the theme is The Dawning of a New Era for Thalassemia, time for a global effort to make novel therapies accessible and affordable to patients. So World Thalassemia Day and Red Cross Day, these 2 days are celebrated on May 8th. Next, World Hand Hygiene Day which is celebrated on May 5, and the theme is Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. Save Lives, Clean Your Hands is the theme of World Hand Hygiene Day which is celebrated on May 5th. And another day is International Midwife Day which is also celebrated on May 5th. Remember, these 2 days are celebrated on May 5th. Next, Time of Remembrance and Reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War which is celebrated on May 8 to 9. So every year we celebrated May 8 to 9, Time of Remembrance and Reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War. Next, World Migratory Bird Day. Important, guys. World Migratory Bird Day which is celebrated on 9th May, and the theme is Birds Connect Our World. Birds Connect Our World is the theme of World Migratory Bird Day which is celebrated on 9th May. Next, National Technology Day which is celebrated on May 11, and the theme is Rebooting the Economy through Science and Technology. Rebooting the Economy through Science and Technology is the theme of National Technology Day which is celebrated on May 11. Next, International Nurses Day which is celebrated on May 12th. and the theme is International Year of the Nurse and Midwife is the theme of International Nurses Day, which is celebrated on May 12th. Next, the International Museum Day, which is celebrated on May 8th. International Museum Day is celebrated on May 18th, and the theme is Museums for Equality, Diversity and Inclusion. Museums for Equality, Diversity and Inclusion is the theme of International Museum Day, which is celebrated on May 18. Next, World Meteorology Day, which is celebrated on May 20, and the theme is Measurements for Global Trade. Measurements for Global Trade is the theme of World Meteorology Day, which is celebrated on May 20. Next, International Day of Families, which is observed on May 15. International Day of Families, it is celebrated on May 15, and the theme is Families in Development, Copenhagen and Beijing plus 25. Next, International Day of Light, which is celebrated on May 16. International Day of Light is May 16, and National Dengue Day is also celebrated on May 16, and International Day of Living Together in Peace, which is celebrated on May 16. So May 16, 3 days are celebrated. One is International Day of Light, and another one is National Dengue Day, and another one is International Day of Living Together in Peace 2020. Next, World AIDS Vaccine Day, which is celebrated on May 18, 2020. Guys, World AIDS Day is celebrated every year on December 1st. So World AIDS Vaccine Day is May 18 and World AIDS Day is December 1. Don't confuse. Next, World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue Development, which is celebrated on May 21st. Next, International Tea Day, which is also celebrated on May 21st. National Anti-Terrorism Day, it is also celebrated on May 21st. So May 21st, three days are celebrated. One is Anti-Terrorism Day, and another one is International Tea Day, and another one is World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. Next, International Day for Biological Diversity Day, which is celebrated on May 22, and the theme is Our Solutions Are in Nature. Our Solutions Are in Nature is the theme of International Day for Biological Diversity, which is celebrated on May 22. Next, World Hypertension Day, which is celebrated on May 17, and the theme is Measure Your Blood Pressure, Control It, Live Longer. So it is the theme of World Hypertension Day, which is celebrated on May 17. Next, World Telecommunication and Information Society Day, which is celebrated on May 17, and the theme is Connect 2030 ICTs for the Sustainable Development Goals. So every year World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is celebrated on May 17. Next, World Bee Day, important guys. World Bee Day, which is celebrated on May 20, and the theme is Be Engaged. Be Engaged is the theme of World Bee Day, which is celebrated on May 20. Next, World Turtle Day, which is celebrated on May 23rd. So every year May 23rd we celebrated World Turtle Day. Next, International Day to End Obstetric Fistula is observed on May 23rd. International Day to End Obstetric Fistula, which is observed on May 23rd, and theme is End Gender Inequality, End Health Inequalities, End Fistula Now. Next, World Thyroid Day, which is celebrated on 25th May. So every year 25th May we observed as World Thyroid Day. Next, International Missing Children Day, which is also observed on May 25. So Thyroid Day and International Missing Children Day, these 2 days are celebrated on May 25. Next, World Hunger Day, which is observed on May 28. So every year May 28 is observed as World Hunger Day. Next, International Day of UN Peacekeepers, which is observed on May 29. Important, International Day of UN Peacekeepers, which is celebrated on May 29. And May 29 we observed another day which is named as Everest Day. So Everest Day is also celebrated on May 29. Remember, International Day of UN Peacekeepers and Everest Day. Both days are celebrated on May 29. Next, World Menstrual Hygiene Day, which is celebrated on May 28, and the theme is Periods in Pandemic, it is time to take action. World Menstrual Hygiene Day, which is celebrated on May 28. Next, World Digestive Health Day, which is celebrated on 29 May. World Digestive Health Day is celebrated on 29 May, and the theme is Gut Microbiome, a Global Perspective. Gut Microbiome, a Global Perspective is the theme of World Digestive Health Day, which is celebrated on 29 May. Next, World Vape Day, which is celebrated on May 30. This day is celebrated to raise awareness on e-cigarettes or vapes to help smokers who are unable to quit. So, World Vape Day is celebrated on May 30. Next, World No Tobacco Day, which is celebrated on May 31st, and the theme is protecting youth from industry manipulation and preventing them from tobacco and nicotine use. Important, guys. So World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on May 31st. So these are the important days of May month. So this is the important days and themes of May month. Guys, if you want quiz based on this video or PDF, please join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our channel. Thank you for watching the video.